A day in the life of Sid the Adventure Cat. My mom let me off leash, so I got to run around a bit with my AirTag on. I kept panting, and my dad tried to give me water, but I really didn't care. Then I decided to go under the roots of this huge tree and refused to come out. So my mom got me out and put me on my leash again, which really sucked. But at least I got to watch my dad fish. Here I am panting and refusing to drink water. When we got on the paddle boards, I was really scared at first, but once I got comfortable, I got a little too comfortable. See all those trees that are growing in the water? Yep, I jumped on one. My dad got me down safely, even though my mom was absolutely freaking out. I had to go back in my backpack for the rest of the trip, but I can't wait to wreak havoc on our next adventure.